15 shocking futuristic vehicles you must see 2024. Step into the future of transportation with 15 jaw-dropping vehicles redefining the road ahead in 2024. From sleek electric cars to revolutionary flying taxis, witness the cutting-edge innovations shaping tomorrow's mobility landscape. 15. Audi Sky Sphere. Introducing the Audi Sky Sphere, a visionary marvel that redefines the concept of driving. With its striking black and gray design and electric powertrain generating 623 horsepower, this futuristic vehicle accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4 seconds. Its innovative mechanism seamlessly transforms the car, extending its wheelbase and heightening ground clearance for a grand touring experience like no other. 14. Mercedes-Benz F015 Luxury in motion. Introducing the Mercedes-Benz F015 Luxury in motion, a pinnacle of automotive innovation and elegance. Designed to redefine the concept of luxury travel, this futuristic masterpiece combines cutting-edge technology with unparalleled comfort. With its sleek, futuristic exterior and spacious, opulent interior, the F015 embodies the ultimate in automotive luxury. Equipped with autonomous driving capabilities, this visionary vehicle offers a glimpse into the future of mobility, where passengers can relax and enjoy the journey in a cocoon of tranquility and sophistication. 13. Audi Icon. Enter the realm of automotive innovation with the Audi Icon, a captivating blend of cutting-edge design and unparalleled performance. As we embark on a journey into the future of mobility, the Audi Icon stands as a beacon of ingenuity, pushing the boundaries of what's possible on the road. From its mesmerizing aesthetics to its revolutionary technology. 12. Mini Vision Next 100. Step into the future of urban mobility with the Mini Vision Next 100, a groundbreaking concept that reimagines the role of the car in the cityscape of tomorrow. In a world where urbanization and sustainability are paramount, Mini unveils a visionary vehicle that seamlessly integrates with the urban environment. With its futuristic design and forward-thinking technology, the Mini Vision Next 100 is not just a car, it's a glimpse into a future where mobility is personalized, sustainable, and interconnected. 11. Rimac Skeleton Vision 2080. Embark on a journey through time and imagination with the Rimac Skeleton Vision 2080, a captivating blend of futuristic design and groundbreaking technology. In a world where innovation knows no bounds, Rimac pushes the envelope of automotive excellence with a concept car that transcends the present and embraces the possibilities of the future. From its awe-inspiring aesthetics to its revolutionary electric powertrain, the Skeleton Vision 2080 invites us to explore a realm where imagination drives progress and where the boundaries of possibility are constantly challenged. 10. GAC Barchetta Concept. Introducing the GAC Barchetta, a groundbreaking electric sports car that challenges conventions and redefines the essence of minimalism in automotive design. Stripping away the windshield entirely, this audacious approach creates a sleek, table-like object that captivates with its flat, polished surface when at rest. The distinctive hollowed-out wheels, featuring unique triangular spokes, further enhance the car's futuristic and avant-garde aesthetic. 9. Speng Aerote Modular. Introducing the Speng Aerote Modular, a revolutionary concept in personal transportation set to redefine how we move. Seamlessly blending the convenience of a car with the freedom of flight, it offers a seamless transition between land and air travel. With 2 distinct modules, a ground vehicle and a 2-seater aircraft powered by electric motors, the Aerote Modular promises not just efficiency, but a thrilling glimpse into the future of mobility. 8. Chrysler Halcyon Concept. Imagine a future where electric cars seamlessly blend luxury and technology. The Chrysler Halcyon concept embodies this vision, offering advanced systems like STLA Brain and STLA Smart Cockpit. With Level 4 autonomy and a design balancing comfort with efficiency, it promises a personalized haven on wheels. While not yet available for purchase, the Halcyon represents the future of automotive luxury and innovation. 7. BMW Vision Next 100 Concept. The BMW Vision Next 100 concept introduces two driving modes, Ease and Boost, offering distinct interior schemes and layouts tailored to each mode. While full technical details are pending, it's anticipated to utilize electric propulsion for zero emissions. In Ease mode, the car is fully autonomous, with the steering wheel concealed and seats swiveling for relaxation. Contrastingly, Boost mode transforms the vehicle into an exhilarating driving experience, with the driver controlling speed and direction using augmented reality. Externally, the car exudes a futuristic aura, featuring abundant lighting and concealed wheels. 6. Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR. Introducing the Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR, a mesmerizing glimpse into the future of automotive innovation. With its oval-shaped doors and illuminated wheels, it exudes an aura of futuristic sophistication. But beyond its striking appearance lies groundbreaking technology, including a brain-computer interface that interprets the driver's thoughts for seamless control. 5. Rolls-Royce Vision Next 100. Introducing the Rolls-Royce Vision Next 100, a breathtaking fusion of future technology and timeless luxury. With its shimmering silver green color and oversized fenders, it commands attention like no other. 4. DSX E-Tense. Experience the DXS E-Tense, a visionary marvel that seamlessly blends innovation with sustainability. Its sleek design and captivating silhouette offer a glimpse into the remarkable features within. Inside, luxury meets technology in a harmonious embrace, with sumptuous seats and immersive digital displays creating an atmosphere of pure indulgence. 3. Toyota LQ. Introducing the Toyota LQ, where innovation meets companionship. Its sleek design and advanced electric powertrain redefine futuristic aesthetics and sustainability. Inside, enjoy unparalleled comfort and technological wonder for an immersive driving experience. With enhanced safety, connectivity, and convenience features, the LQ represents the future of mobility. 2. Lamborghini Fantasma Concept Car. Introducing the Fantasma, a masterpiece of futuristic design that redefines boundaries and blends aesthetic prowess with cutting-edge technology. What sets it apart is its astonishing top speed, providing an exhilarating driving experience like no other. Prepare to transcend earthly speed limits with the Fantasma. 1. Hyperion XP1. Introducing the XP1, an extraordinary concept car blending speed and sustainability with its innovative hydrogen propulsion system. With lightning-fast acceleration and refined luxury, its cockpit offers advanced technology and meticulous design, enhancing your driving experience like never before. As we wrap up our exploration of 15 shocking futuristic vehicles of 2024, we're reminded of the boundless possibilities ahead in automotive innovation. Don't miss out on the latest updates. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more exciting content.